How are you there? Here's Ricardo Melo speaking again from Brazil. I hope you know, I know you know. As usual, everything is okay with you and your family and your country. My dear friends, today in our drop of inspiration, I want to share some good ideas, some topics about a very inspiring issue that touched me a lot. I mean, we're going to talk about social work. Yeah, it's so important we do some kind of social work. Wow, have you done that? Have you done some kind of social work in your country? My dear friends, I don't know exactly what you think about it, but for me, we give something back to the universe. It's very important for our lives, because we receive so many blessings from the God. Think carefully. Life, your body, your family, your intelligence, all resources around you to create a wonderful life. So it's important we give something back. We give some kind of support to other people that are in need. It's important for us, even for us, not only for this kind of people, but for us. When we find some kind of space in our busy agenda, probably you, I think, I don't know, but maybe you have a busy agenda. When you can find this kind of space, you will do a great favor for yourself, firstly, and because we have so great feelings when we are doing great things, So you can offer your time, you can share your love, your caring, your knowledge about some specific area. You can share this kind of knowledge. You can invest your money, if it's possible, in ONGs or helping some kind of social work in different churches, in different countries, in different religions in the world. So it doesn't matter the way you are doing your social work. What's important is you do. You know what I mean? I've been doing social work for a long time, and my family and I, we love to do some kind of social work. And I can assure you, when you do a social work, you become a great example for your family, and you inspire other people to do the same thing. So, my dear friend, unfortunately, we have so many people only complaining every day about life. It's important we stop complaining, and we start doing something good in order to transform the planet into a better place for all of us. So, my suggestion for you today in our drop of inspiration is you find space on your agenda and do some kind of social work. Maybe you can find 1 hour in a week, I don't know, or maybe 1 hour in 2 weeks. Only depends on you. Depends on you're really interested in this kind of issue. I'm suspect to talk about that because 80% of my life today, when I'm awakened, when after I wake up, is spending on social work, and for me it's a great issue. Definitely, I planned all my life in order to do that, so I can assure you it's amazing. It's an amazing way of living, definitely, because we feel happier as time goes by, as we can see the difference we can make in the life, in the universe, because we are inspiring all the people. We are give some kind of support to different human beings and different beings. Okay, for example, you can do social work helping animals. You can do social work help the nature in the environment. You can do social work helping child without father and mother, helping people, elder people. You can do social work for anything you want. So, my dear friend, I really strongly suggest you in our drop of inspiration of today, you find space in your busy agenda and start doing some kind of social work, because you will strengthen your immune system. As recent findings has shown us, you will become happier, you will socialize much more, and you pay less attention to your troubles, and you pay more attention to the wonders that you have around you. So throughout my life I've been a social work, and I really wish you can do the same if you think it's worth it. Okay, for me it's worth it. That's the reason I'm sharing with you. Okay, my dear friends, once more, thank you so much for your attention. Yeah, I repeat because it's important to say that. Thank you so much for spreading our drop of inspiration with your contacts. And please email me. Yeah, we have a direct contact by mail, so you can email me sharing your opinions about our drop of inspiration. Give me some feedbacks about the topics we are covering here, because for us it's important, because we create this drop of inspiration for you. So when you manifest yourself, when you talk about this work, you guiding us, my team and I, to do the best we can do. Okay, so once more, have a wonderful day, have a wonderful life, and please do some kind of social work, because your future will say thank you so much for you. Believe me, it's amazing choice that we can make. Have a wonderful day, my dear friend, and as you know, see you soon. See you very, very soon.